Hello, all of you. I'm Naresh Rawal once again, and from today I'm going to start our chapters. So, before we start, I request all of you to please purchase Sanjay Kundra's book, Physical Education. I have recommended that book, it's a very good book. Don't go anywhere for left and right. In that book, everything is given in a very good and a proper way with diagrams, with pictures, and in a very systematic way. So that's why I have recommended that book for our class for physical education. Please buy Sanjay Kundra's book of physical education, and it's an evergreen publication. Okay, so from wherever you are going to buy it, just buy this book. So physical education book subject, there are 10 chapters in this book. Last year it was around first in the previous year we used to have 12 chapters, but now CBSE has merged two chapters in it. They have make two chapters one. So in two chapters they did like that. So now we are having 10 chapters. The name of the first chapter is Planning in Sports, and the name of the last chapter is Training in Sports. So, Planning in Sports, and today I am going to start this chapter. So, Planning in Sports, the name of the chapter is Planning in Sports. But, students, uh, planning is something that it is not required only in sports. That's why in my previous class also, what I told you, that physical education is a subject which is going to help you in every area. So planning is something which we need to do it in everything. If you want to score 90 marks, more than 90 marks, or if you want to excel whatever you are doing in your profession or anything, so you need to have planning. So the definition, if you want to ask me in a simple way, I am telling you, planning is something, thinking in advance to achieve a goal. That is the simple definition of planning. To achieve a goal, we think in advance. And what we think, we make scheduling, we make tasks, and we do task schedule, and we do plan out how we are going to implement them. So, in planning, what we are going to do, I am going to give you an example. You are going to make it, I'm going to make it clear, and you are going to know everything about planning is something. Suppose if you want to organize a table tennis tournament, I want to organize a table tennis inter school tournament in our school, right? Inter school tournament. So what are the things to required to organize an inter-school tournament? So the definition of planning was thinking in advance to achieve a target. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to plan out the timing schedule. We are going, definitely we are going to, for anything we are going to time out schedule of time, which month, which date, and for how many hours we are going to conduct it. That is planning of timing. The second thing which we are going to think about is what are the things required to make a tournament successful. What are the things? Do we have table tennis table? Do we have a hall? Do we have proper light? Do we have chairs when the players will come from outside? Do we have chairs so that they can sit? Do we have umpires? Do we have refreshment facility and all these things, and cups and medals, what we are going to do? So all these things are required. We are going to make a task schedule. We can say that these are the things required for the tournament. The third thing what we want, the third thing is we are going to check in our campus what are the things available with us. Keep it in mind, what are the things available with us. We are going to see whether we have table or not, whether we have hall. We thought we have a table, we have tables, we have hall, we have light system, we have chairs. These are the things. So we are going to make a plan, No, that yeah, these are the things we have. Now the fourth thing is, what are the things required from outside? So what are the things required? We need umpires, okay, genuine umpires to conduct that tournament. We need teams. We have to send them invitations. Teams. We need refreshment facility. We need cups and medals, the trophy and all that. So these are the things required for tournament. And the last thing is to conduct or to make anything possible successful is a proper coordination of a team, a proper coordination of technical team, a proper coordination of your with the concerned person, with your management, and your supporters, those who are involved in the teachers who are involved in that. So this is the way to make any tournament successful. So if you get a question, what do you mean planning, explain. So just write down the thing. You have to write down. Planning means something, thinking in advance to achieve a proper target or achieve a proper goal. And just give an example. For example, if you are going to organize it, that's all. We don't need to write anything else. Now I'm going to give you an example about studies. It's the same way. If you want to excel in, suppose in physics, you want to get more than 90 marks. In this case, what you are going to do, you are going to make a schedule of your timing. This is time I am going to study for 2 hours in the morning, 3 hours at night, making a schedule. Then what are you going to see? What are the things required to study? Whether you need a reference book, whether you need another book, whether you need some practical instruments, all that. So you are making a chart of that. Yeah, these are the things required. Then you are going to see what are the things available with you. Which book you want to study? Is it with you or not? Or any guest papers you have or not? Everything you are going to collect it. These are the things required, and I am having. Then you are going to see that the other things which you don't have. So you are going to ask your respected concerned teachers. With your friends also you can consult that I want this book, I want that sample paper, guest paper, anything, that instrument, practical instrument. So these are the things required, and a proper coordination, like at the end I said, a proper coordination of your timing and your concerned teachers and your friends. So that will definitely help you to make you excel in that subject. So this is the way how we make planning to achieve a target. So that was our today's topic. If you have any confusion related to it, please write to me, and any confusion, and whatever I said, you can see my this video again, and please note it down. Oh, because I'm going to explain you one by topic. It is very easy for you to make it, and make a proper copy. You have a copy, I think, text copies. Please make a proper copy. And what do you mean by planning? And what are the things required for planning? Or what are its objectives? Objective is clear to achieve a target. And for example, just make it out. Thank you for today's class, and I am online till 3:30. If you have any queries, anything, please write to me. Thank you.